Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to import your preferences settings in the Sketchbook app on your phone. If you want to maintain your customized brushes, tools, and interface settings, first open the Sketchbook app on your phone. Next, look at the top left corner and tap on the three horizontal lines. Then, from the menu that appears, scroll down and tap on Preferences. Then, scroll down through the Preferences menu until you find the Import Preferences option and click on it. After that, your phone's file browser will open, allowing you to navigate to the folder where your saved preferences are stored. Select the correct folder, and the app will automatically import all your saved settings, restoring your custom brushes, canvas layouts, and tool options exactly as you had them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and share this video with friends who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.